Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. The layering process continues by adding another layer of matcha-soaked ladyfingers on top of the cream. This is followed by another layer of cream filling. Depending on the depth of the serving dish, additional layers may be added. Each layer contributes to the final texture, creating a combination of soft biscuits and rich cream that melts in the mouth. Taking time to spread each layer evenly ensures a professional appearance and consistent flavor in every serving. The contrast between the green matcha tones and the pale cream layers also creates a visually appealing dessert that looks elegant when sliced and served. After assembly, the tiramisu must be chilled to allow the flavors to develop and the layers to set properly. Refrigeration is a crucial step that should not be rushed. Most recipes recommend chilling the dessert for at least 4 to 6 hours, although overnight refrigeration often produces the best results. During this time, the biscuits absorb moisture from the cream and become tender while maintaining enough structure to support the layers. The flavors also blend together, allowing the matcha, cream, and sweetness to create a harmonious taste. The waiting period may require patience, but it significantly improves the final quality of the dessert. Before serving, the tiramisu is typically finished with a dusting of matcha powder on top. This final touch enhances both appearance and flavor. The bright green powder creates a striking contrast against the creamy surface and immediately signals the dessert's unique flavor profile. To achieve an even coating, matcha should be sifted lightly over the top just before serving. This prevents moisture from causing the powder to darken or clump. Some dessert makers also decorate the tiramisu with white chocolate shavings, fresh berries, or edible flowers for added visual appeal. These garnishes can complement the dessert without distracting from the main matcha flavor. One of the reasons matcha tiramisu has become so popular is its versatility. It can be served in a large baking dish for family-style gatherings or assembled in individual cups for elegant presentations. Individual portions are especially useful for parties and special events because they are easy to serve and create a refined appearance. The dessert can also be customized with various ingredients. Some people add layers of red bean paste, while others incorporate white chocolate or fresh fruit. These additions introduce new textures and flavors while maintaining the dessert's creamy character. The flavor experience of matcha tiramisu is unique compared to traditional tiramisu. Instead of the bold bitterness of coffee, matcha provides a gentle earthiness with subtle grassy notes. The creamy mascarpone filling softens these flavors, creating a dessert that feels rich yet refreshing. The sweetness is typically more restrained than many Western desserts, making it appealing to those who prefer balanced flavors. Every spoonful combines smooth cream, soft biscuits, and aromatic matcha, creating a satisfying contrast of textures and tastes that keeps people coming back for more. Matcha tiramisu also appeals to those interested in exploring international fusion desserts. By combining Italian dessert techniques with Japanese ingredients, it demonstrates how culinary traditions from different cultures can complement one another beautifully. This fusion approach has inspired many modern dessert creations and continues to attract food lovers seeking new flavor experiences. Matcha tiramisu stands out because it respects the essence of both traditions while creating something fresh and distinctive. When storing matcha tiramisu, it should remain refrigerated until ready to serve. Proper storage helps maintain the texture and freshness of the dessert. Covered tightly, it can typically be enjoyed for several days while retaining its quality. In fact, many people find that the flavor improves after a day of refrigeration because the ingredients have more time to meld together. However, the matcha topping is best added shortly before serving to preserve its vibrant appearance and fresh taste. Matcha flavor tiramisu is more than just a variation of a classic dessert. It is a celebration of creativity, balance, and flavor. The earthy depth of matcha, the luxurious smoothness of mascarpone cream, and the delicate texture of soaked ladyfingers come together to create a dessert that feels elegant yet approachable. Whether prepared for a special occasion or simply as a weekend treat, Matcha Tiramisu offers a memorable dessert experience that combines beauty, flavor, and texture in every bite. Its growing popularity reflects the universal appeal of well-crafted desserts that bring together the best elements of different culinary traditions into one unforgettable creation. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.